Today's EFT session is all about your money mindset, releasing limiting beliefs around spending, earning and abundance, and creating a healthy flow of money in and money out. Many of us hold subconscious beliefs like, I don't deserve financial freedom, or I don't deserve financial security, or I can't spend without guilt. This session will help you let go of scarcity thinking and open yourself up to abundance so you can feel confident, empowered, and at ease with your finances. Okay, so take a deep breath in and just slowly release that breath. You really are capable of attracting abundance whilst honouring your financial flow. So let's begin. Let's just tap the side of the hand here. Even though I have worries or I feel guilt about money, I deeply and completely accept myself. Okay, eyebrow. I notice the tension and fear I feel around my finances. Side of eye. I release the belief that money is hard to come by. Under eye. I let go of guilt, shame, and worry around spending and receiving money. Under nose. I'm open to a healthy, balanced flow of money in and money out. Chin. I release limiting beliefs that block my financial abundance. Okay. Collarbone. I trust that I can manage my finances with ease and clarity. Underarm. I allow money to flow freely to me and through me without fear. Top of head. I release old money fears. I am worthy of abundance. I welcome financial flow with ease in all that I am and in all that I am becoming. Okay, take a deep grounding breath and slowly let it go. Feel a sense of lightness and openness around money. You can repeat this round daily whenever money worries get the better of you. Repeat it whenever you want to shift your money mindset toward abundance. Each tap helps create a sense of calm, confidence, and financial empowerment. Here on YouTube, I've got a variety of other EFT tap-along videos related to money blocks and financial freedom. I'll link a longer one down below. And off YouTube, I do personalised, custom written scripts and videos related to EFT. Just check me out on selfcarekaren.com. Remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.